where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, Sabi, yeah, welcome to my channel, guys. No, my loves, the corner. Just that as I was vlog, I remember and promised the last vlog. The settings are this a vlog about what? About promo don't ish. That other weeks and I don't get right, man. Don't get right. Conan die shame, but I couldn't vlog, man. There was a lot that was happening. So when you go in good space, so didn't vlog. Anyways, guys, please subscribe, like, and share, comment, guys. Whether you had to watch, just drop anything, please, guys. And I'm on like guys, like your band notify on YouTube. If you don't like, guys, they won't notify me. Hence in the please tell your friends to tell their friends to come and subscribe. Yeah, so as Zenbonile, guys, Zenbonile, let me drink this because I need energy. I'm not good. Hope me appeal and go right in that time of the month. So I need this. Storms on fire, so I'm flange. Sitting Sitting a lesson on Monday. Thank you. So Alap. So I went to this other event in China. Okay. It was a launch of a Sunny company. So there was Korean and Chinese. Yambona was go red one. Yambona was okay. But I didn't vlog shem. I couldn't vlog. They said busy. They were busy. Can't vlog. Just in that just a video. Then you go label. Then when Zalan give me my life update. Then after now I'm from a pep. I'm from a pep. Then you to me like parcel a customer yam. This Monday. Now once I have my phone in, guys. The yegi parcel I could try painting. The yeg. The day of Monday because Begun Monday. So kind of Monday on Wednesday night. At being enough phone John Tran to mail. So especially those are shorter, guys, and was in the to mail. So so again this sugar up not no make show price, you know, smelling is spoiling yan. It's so definitely need long. Anyways, I've promised you guys Bands and Enzela a story time about how I met my parents. Like it, like that tea. Guys, ninga, don't mind this, ne? Yeah, guys, go be. So I think I'll just cut here. Then find wave, because we crack shame and guys will crack like sense of crack but and guys will crack. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, sense of my guys. So for me, just like been fast in a pond. No man, so just the catala, best and weave, yeah, for la malanga nyana. And guess I'm being a phone like Ninbon sense is 10K pipe, guys. Ding a chong bandia. I'm leaving, guys, soon. I'm leaving. Yeah, but I'll take you through Nami Sunday and I'll vlog with you guys. Like you see, like yazini. Shalala, make a show good you like a lap. Like, yes. Yeah, that's why I forget this happened. Because last month gate 21 and the 21 busy zolo. I'm a me namahloni, but then yeah, sure, it's nyanga yonke, it's a month, but I don't mind. guys, nomkhabani uhlisa ngantoni yo. So guys, let me take you back in 2010. So 2010 guys, this is the story. Actually benifuna nenzela i-unboxing guys, we bought lama watch Tempo. Yes, ke sana athatha ixesha suka kude from Cape Town. Imagine bakhona American streets like in restaurants khona, but ke sana udecide ukubhesha ukuba ayolanda le kude. So unboxing mhlawumbe at the end of the video xa ifikile ndazofika nini, but then manje let's just listen. It's not even that interesting guys, just that I thought I should just share since ndinganenzelanga i-vlog last week. So I was like, for my people endibathandayo nabandithandayo, no man, ithi ndibathi nje kancinci bo. So back in 2010 apparently benifunda nomuntu wami, but mina bengingamazi nebendazi, like mana same class. Noma ndikhumbuza mina even now andikhumbuli, like ndiyakhumbula izinto endandizenza eklasini nothisha namanye ama-learners and stuff, but then yena andimkhumbuli, yabo. So it's like that yena yayinto kanjalo. But grade 9 saseparata till matric. Fast forward, then I think around grade 10 nikubona umasizana high school xa udate nomuntu ufike into zakho zisaziwa, like ubona za public relationships. Yes, ebekuzo ke nakhe saziwa, simbona nathi shem iyajona intombi ke, singafundi same class, singenze same stream, like singaboni, like guys bengekho lento kuthiwa attractor kuye naye, like beyefana njengezinye iy'ngane kusamanqinexinisi beyafana nje. Then fast forward to 2014 kwa-matric guys. Andifuna ibe le video or le vlog, but 2014 then it happened ukuba I touched some few some few pictures babezinjalo back then ka-matric, of course. Yes, so kwa grade 12, yes, grade 12 nina I'm trying to rethink about what happened so that angazi kuma-comments athi baby uyaxoka, because he's my number one supporter. Ngoqala ubukela once in the upload video, ngoqala ukubukela athi baby ayisent lakho, like andifonela athi ukuba ndigqiba ubukela njani ayibona peer review efonini. So andifunde njalo, ningabona ngathi ndiyaphosa, andiphosi just because, yabo. So I hope niyandiva, because yabo imoto zenza isound ngaphandle and stuff. So yeah, then it happened this other time si-attende ama-class late mos. Besi-attenda wona ke shem. After school besihlala nje kenza ama-homework, then umuntu agoduke, but late phaa ngapuma-5 siphinde sibuyele esikolweni sihambe ngama-8 ebusuku, yabo, sifunde nabanye abantwana kwezinye izikolo nje wethu. So what happened is that night kangekho mbane ke shem. So abantu ndandifunda nabo neklasini aba they knew that akho mbane, mna zandibone mna ndathwala intloko yami encinci ndezela esikolweni. Xa ndifika eklasini hayi mana abantu abade bafike ndifunda nabo, yabo, abafiki then kafika umkhulu, khona umkhulu sasimbiza mkhulu ka-grade 12, simbiza mkhulu, umuntu ogade egeyithini man, sasimbiza umkhulu esithi uba guys namhlanje ozubakho ama-study sessions because akunagesi, low shedding what, so kuzomele ndilokhe early, yabo. So like kuyafaka is-pointless nomuntu agoduke. On my way xa ndiphuma ema-stepsini, abayazi ifumani bayayazi, xa ndiphuma ema-stepsini kwathe guy, okay, of course benimazi kokuba senza i-matric sonke besine-assembly yethu, because angeke singazani guys, come on. Nongathi ayisana besijongele besingomambo, it just happened guys. Then like secretary njani ndiyaphila, hayi like wazihamba uyi-1, like yeah sure uzihamba ngiyi-1. Oh okay, uhlalaphi? I'm like hlala eMaphanga. Okay, hayi ngizokukhapha bokusese-elish lo gesi njani yebona mos baba abantu ofunda nami cha bezanga njani maybe abonile ngibona izoncoko nje like those smallanyana talks ezingathanga sure ukuthi hayi wethu angikhaphe kufana ke sihambe endleleni siyaxoxa ngisakhona sasincokola ngamntwana siyaxoxa angifikise eKastlam Street angifikise eKastlam Street fine. Then ke simi nasekoneni sincokole hey sibeshusha indaba sami sincokole hey umnandi siyaxoxa nje ngempilo general kuze kubuye ugesi guys can you imagine then athi kuba hayi man ngithi ndihambe ndondondondondondon kanti there is someone lapha eKastlam umaziyo okay everyone besimazi budita nozibani ohambile wayetshela uZibani ukuthi hey ngibona indoda yakho la imakhe uZibani yebo kudala sasimakha mos xa uJuly xa uzothina mabezocheck ekhoneni umile lapha ekhoneni nomfana bazothi umakile yebo like besikhuluma kanjani like umakile bathi hayi bemakile umuntu wakho njani bazifikile indaba kumugale yebo fine ngesana guys fast forward the story few days later bes attended nakumanye ezinye izikolo mas other schools so this other time the girl waqamba amanga ngami guys wathi mina and my friend ndiyomface about indoda yakhe mna that day wathi make hamba ngakhohlwa everything nje how ukuthi besike saxoxa sanjani sakhuluma how like there was no need for me following day into eclassini yakhe yo njani no man it was once of thing man hayibo besincokola nje as abantu bafunda bonke esikolweni ugela waqamba manga wathi mina ngimface sengizwa ngoguy sengitexta ku Facebook ukuthi hayibo ngizwa wathi wena oface umuntu wami ngithi mina nobani athi bohamba nomngane wakhe ndithi mina njani ndihamba nomngane wami umngane wami ndihamba naye guys mina back then nanechomi yabo ezizidudla ezichabe sana and ezazibethe zazihlaba amantombazana aseMandela wayihlaba nasemshweshe so once uthethe into ebheke ecaleni like abanqinje ama-cases e-ofisini principal yabazi bendim into ebuyisud konyana behlezi bendiprotect noma ndigeza I know like my friends like they got my back bazondithethelela or you know mos how girls hayi ke sana ndiqomba ngaphakathi le ntombazana imtshayaphi ndengatsonga namthi chomi kuthiwa mna nawe siface umuntu oyana kanje kubani lo akazona ukwaziwa like umunye nje ugirl wasezibanibani bafunda ku-floor iphezulu kuneyethu okay fine ngomso sizoyomlana so ke ngiqombe hayisana uzobethwa yimpama ke lo girl shem uzobetha ichomi yami ayidlali kanjalo yamchomi shem uzothi usathi uyathethwa uya-explain ukuthi fa ngempama uzothi uhlaphukela ubona uba ya kurong qamamanga hayi ke sangiqoba ndinomsindo bayibonjani wayezoxoxa ndimfikisa amazini like andiyazi nakangaphi indoda yakho bra like indoda yakho after all like ndingenaphi kufesa nathini not me xa ndifike ekuseni following day gugugugu ayifiki mositshomi yami sizothi sihambe futhi siye-late ukuthula ngo-9 qoma nowathi khake ndingokwami ndishiye itshomi yami le late ndaya xa ndifike eklasini sanogeza angaphume ndabangacela uba cela nimbizelani uZibani nankiyapha uke waphuma ugaye engekho ukaphuma ngiqabanisana ndaba nogaye kalo ndifuna lo uvuthe ndaba lo ukhuluma ngami kabi athi mna ndifeyisa like Jesus tamthini ayithini uyakho bra uyakho manje hayibo siyongazithembi wayengazithembi manje lantana tu fine ugela zangadeze no wabona vele ukuba isitshayi wethu qoba khayima nemiyeke lo bathi vili enzani yajikalisa ngizombamba manje sifunda sonke ngizombamba guys samenywa ku English what competition ne hey I was chosen we debate it was a debate I'll just show you Sithombe up there we debate yakhona it's English so sasiyo representa isikolo sethu so I was chosen and namanye wethu ama-learners pha esikolweni yabo so apparently nezazi izinto zikaNkulunkulu apparently ke sana no guy my man okhethiwe but ke ngoba iyazi kaloku la ntombi yakhe leya yayirakanyana waqoma kakuhle wathi waya I think uteacher wayemfundisa English bacela khetha omunye umuntu amreplace une-emergency what like he lied because of angafuni ukugala because isizawudibana phaa kaloku kwi-debate after debate iphinde ibe into engakhe yabo so naye wayezilungiselela umfana uba yazini kukho ugirl and ugirl ke sana because siyazana mos ukubona kuthiwa abantu abakhethiweyo nabo bazomela isikolo for i-debate ye-English yabo bazomela ifumana yeah then ke saya ke shem guys angadaye saya saba ku-top 2 yeah but ke zange phinde uqhubekele phambili wethu fast forward December right okay December ke mane bo chat right here and go Facebook njani akaphila it ends there yabo ends there fine how ubhuti kanti uyangale how mabuya ngoJanuary how siqhuma masibuye 2015 yes 2015 ubhuti omtsha ngiyatshela waziphosta uguy ku Facebook remember guys thina ama 1k guys yo kakho la nto ubona ku Facebook dala kuthiwa I poke you at banbani lol at banbani like besingakwazi ukumention at that time engekho la tool ku Facebook to mention someone or ezinye izinto ezikhona manje ku Facebook zazingekho back then so andifuni manibona i-screenshot there nithi kokutheni but of course I'm gonna hide angifuni ukubiza amagama abantu yabo gonna hide gama like and stuff but nizobona i-comment section bandandithini and guys let me explain before detailed guys ndayenza because I was just pulling her leg yes I said what I said because I was just pulling her leg and nje for control nje ukumthi nje kubona bayalobona wagxoka ngami bona khake nduthi ku public platform yes that's me yes that's me guys so then guess I looked at a poster I was like okay naso sinkwa sidlula ngathi masisa dedlala guys but then in the night time sabawa lobhuti yabo I was just pulling her leg girl because usile first of all I was uxoxa ngomuntu like nje so I'm like boreka nokubhoreka ngihlele endlini yazini ngitholanga nesigela la yazini kuningi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngizoshaya igap here yeah ne ngizibhorekele nje commenta la ngasabawa lobhuti ngathi sampawela or samthanda lobhuti angisakhumbuli but somewhere along those lines I guess I know what girl that's my man over there I'm like yes girl ngazi-ke shem beqhumana ko-inbox wabuya umfana sekashaya boy that's right ngazi boy that's right bani wayangasho ukuthi like makame naye if bethiwa ndim ne kukho that time bethiwa ndim ndijonga naye untombazane izokhomenta kusithombe sakhe ithi ubawela umuntu wami ntontona guys isidima sami bengendikhomende mna bengekhe trust me bengendikhomende bezazithulela nje ndizondile nomfana ndithi hayibo inengibani lokubalayo yabawela nje wena ku-comment zakho lebo qha igirl wathi that's my man over there I'm like yes girl like it then guy that's right uyamnqanda shame cabuthi masingabuyeli kula drama like mhlawumbe singatrain or yabo into ezinjalo but ke I'm not like that I'm like no man siyazi ukuthi umuntu wakho but masimfuna singamthola make sifuna samthola something along those lines angisakhumbula guys ka ku-2015 ngoJanuary so andizukhumbula like word by word ne ningathi ayibungu uyaxoxa no andizukhumbula word by word i-screenshot sizazivelela nizawufunda nipause video nifunde then after that kwenzeka ntoni kanene yeah I think yaphela lapho wathi ugela okay sharp yaphela apho vele sharp like kuthiwa siyakhuluma so guys bendicheck ifone wethu ukuba icima ngama since I'm recording with the back of the camera back of the camera yeah whatever so ayizibani sithi ba hayi man sahlala bethu aphela inyaka simane sidibana wethu noGuy lesesibhedle xa uyibhadala idisha ngoba hey unjani siyaphila eyama nechomi zakhe yabo bese ngabonana lona layi fast forward years saqingeleka yabo guys nginiwe sesistory esisana ngathi ngalala share man correct la could ukuthenga igrand but damn but anyways it's fine I'll be fine I guess imbokodo pyramid I'm used to this man I'm used to this people pains in the man so fast forward then 2016 okay simane sithetha manje kuma 2016 noGuy manje ngibuza waya ufunda apha ntoni hayi mina ndifunda phiphi nami ngifunda phiphi yabo ngisakubona iklasi njalo okay sure emane sinqola mos ko Facebook nje then 2017 ne wahlukana noGuy but abengayazi ndiva ngokubani balisela ba uhlukene noGuy ndangayazi then nalabanga man like i-chat zethu ku Facebook ngiqomba wena njita man afuna I remember 2016 isathi ufuna meet up ntoni ngiqomba meet up like sizothi meet up like sizothini tell me ngisongola isithini because kaloku no umuntu wakho besiyamsaba uzophinda khona umuntu ozasibona phinde futhi yabo into ezinjalo like angidlali ngezingwa zabantu mina angidlali ngezingwa zabantu so umuntu makuyagcina ungasayikho yabo so yeah that was it then 2018 umjidon shela yes he sheltered me guys and as I didn't come the reason why because I thought like nah man okay whatever that has happened back in 2014 kwa matric why uzongishela why now like uzofuna ntoni awuna ntombi wena then I asked my friend ukuba uhlala same location apha hlala khona because abahlali kasili one but endaweni eyi-one same location hey Jomi kanjengele man uzibani usajolana nozibani bani ndibone ndishela man like ukubona ingathi ngaze ngahluthi isingo ngaze ngamshaya isingo because abanye bake basho ndenze i-NGL yes anonymous questions hayibo bathi mina ngilokhu njanile ikapha ubani ngestina which is guys angikaze ngikapha umuntu istina angazi mina empilweni yami mna ngafu uGuy engajoli yes he was singing sajoli iphelele lapho yabo zangihluthe isingo somuntu wangishela wangitshela uthungu ukuthi hayi ngathi abasa they are no longer together yabo basajoli I'm like oh okay but still ngoba ndifumene i-information ukuba akathandani naye basathandana I was like no man bongi no gijima baleka ngenyawo zombini baleka ngagijima into eyikhulumisayo guys andizifuna let me just focus on my studies naye makafocus on his studies like umjolojolo sham even my friends from back then they will tell me from school ba doesn't majolajola so ngagijima azangaqomeka angisakhumbuli ngathini but azangamqoma yes then he came back 2018 ke ngoku sasimane sincokola mos nako Facebook nje hey wethu manje sithi ayidithuli because uzokhomenta athi babe nama and ngemnaki once andiphikise guys ndibhanga screenshot sezinto is like the way sasincokola ngakhona ikhona is it normal na umuntu akubize ngobaby nincokola bize ngolove ningajoli iyasolisa guys so I was like hey lo mfana okay waphinda wabuya man sa-exchange amanamba andasaswa exchange awesingaphi yes asifane si-exchange amanamba ndine ku-inbox Facebook sichathe I think ndandine-problem yefowuni man probably nini nisebenzele ifoni imoshakala ithini and andingawuyanga into ze-WhatsApp mna ayibazi into zesikolo yabo. So yaba yiloo nto ke sana. Fast forward 2019 then ke saqala ke ukuncokola ku-WhatsApp yabo, sincokola ku-WhatsApp kola kodwa ngala xesha unjani ntontontontontonton yabo. Waphinda umfujita ngalaa ndaba ngathi mina vala umlomo sathula sangathethi. Then kazosondela i-recess sekajuni wandibuza like when is my recess. I was like I'm not sure yazi nokuba ndizobuya nge-recess yam like ndinento ezininzi ekumele ndizenze yabo, ndine-assignment ezidyu xa kuvulwayo. So you see man, I'll see yabo. So kanti ke kuzokwenzeka okubuhlungu umngane wami atshonelwa ngumama yakhe, so I had to ukuthi ndihambe for i-weekend ndiyomsapota yabo because wayengcotwele emakhaya. I was like okay ithi ndiye ndiyomsapota since ndingazuya Eastern Cape yabo, let me just ukuba khona ndibethe then yeah. So ke ndamchazela uba ndiyeza njani. I think ndamchazela, I'm not sure but I don't think ndamchazela but andizukhumbula word by word guys. Then ke kuyi-Friday that day zingaphi na zikaJuly kodwa 5 July 5 ne yayizi-5 July zi-5 6 I don't remember guys but I think yayizi-5 July yes yayizi-5 July. So 2019 so ke sana ke ndafika emini mos ndafika ndabeka ibhegi endlini ndatshintsha nje ndathwala iqhiya ndahlonipha wethu yabo because ndaphuma umzima laa mini. Then I went there. Kukude from apho bendihlala khona guys, kukude not that far but kukude shem, I don't know lie for ukuhamba ebusuku uyi-1 intombazana kukude. So mna ugirl utshomi yami yathi uzon-organizela abantu abazondikhapha bandijikele eCalifornia, and California that time it's halfway where I stay. I was like yo sana abantu endingabaziyo abafana igroup abafana endingabaziyo mna ndihlezi ndine-trust issues guys always. So I was like no man so no 1 + 1 is 2. I don't know I want something, I don't know that time engengumntu. I was like okay since abendibuza nge-recess ubhebe yabo, so let me tell him uba ndilapha around so kukufutshane lo tshomi nakuwabo yabo. I'm like ndamthi call uba hey George uphi, athi hayi ndikhona that nam ndilapha kulo banibani yabo, would you mind undikhapha yabo ikasi because ndimsummarizele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Athi okay no problem. Utsho xa uhamba I'm like no ngoku sebephumile kugqityiwe. Athi okay ndiza ba indoda yam sana yeza sathi chusa uyam kamnandi sana hey like yayingekho into e-forced like i-conversation it was rolling guys, bekumnandi, it was kakumandi shem, I don't know lie. Sasincokola nje ke ngento zesikolo, life general yabo. Ya saxoxa makumele phela phela kumele ajike vele umfana. Hey ke wazi ke sekayikhumbuza le ndaba ke kuthi phela mama mama phela lo yashoni phela ngiselapha yale mpahla ngiselapha phela mina. I'm like ish ngazenza ingane encane ish yani umuntu senexesha esingile, it's been years ne. I'm like ish asisikhulume ngayo kusasa yabo kulate manje and stuff, like there was a lot that was happening nam ndikhathele ntontoni, so indaba kanje ngothi yabo asixoxe kusasa bo shayijike kasilani kusasa. Athawe sure haki cha yangitho sure following day hike sana ke guys, the rest is history. How following day guys ayibo yebo sayistila no baby ngekids saw kamnandi. That was it. How I met my man, my partner, my day one. Yeah, that's how I met my man, guys, my boyfriend. So till today, 6 years later, so say together, we are together, so together, strong, say happy son. For those babies sitting mna nambetha esitini umntana abantu azange ndibethe emntwana esitini azange ngilume isinkwa samuntu mina. Singasomuntu cha lutho lutho uthi-ke sana xa siye sincinco simane siyincokole mosikhumbuzana umuntu wami athena mina years later ngasiluma isinkwa ingathi kuma-comments ngisasibaweli. Years later isinkwa sekuyesami ngasithatha nemvuthu yaso zange ngithathe islice ngivale nge-crust ukuthi bangaboni ngathatha isinkwa sonke hamba naso ngitshela but then zakwenzeka lonto leyo guys, no. So-ke that was it ne quite interesting ne. Tshela umuntu wami ngimthanda ugezi ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu walenza iqiniso or my ancestors whomever involved ukuthi sibe la nomuntu wami wangenzela iqiniso guys. Yo wangenzela iqiniso ngiyamthanda lo muntu ngiyamthanda baby, love you, I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing, like literally I'm nothing without him. He's my everything. I love that so. Deploy the keys, babe. That was it for today, guys. See you in the line. You be quiet no one's later on, guys. Now I think like the dinner and my pains ayabuya manje, so I just want to rest. Then if there's something in the libeleyo desire man close off the vlog. But for now, let me love and leave you guys. Can you yebo kyoqambalala yes hawuma awuphakathwa ngilobola nini. Thank you. Bonjour. Bensenzo bonjour pasa. Bonjour. Hi hi ha. I'm a China sa. Bing Chinese. Oh ha. I'm a China goes yeah. But we won't mind guys. We won't mind on live. I enjoyed myself. As like that moment and I switch her off that day I switch her off I called not main king I'm clubbing like in same clubbing I enjoy ukhlala ma Koreans na belungu kwiningi nje ama China change ukumandi shembe ukumandi. So guys my bonani late man andithi ngqi or ndithi Mr. D uba eat something to eat. I was introduced when was it, Thursday night kwinyama yasePedros. Imnandi shame nikhumbuza yaseNando's imnandi. So since I've been craving yona. I don't know it's hormones or what, but then I've been craving for yona isana. But anyways, let me love and leave you. If you've watched till this far and now gotta subscribe, guys, let me pause like this. What are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Like, please subscribe, please. I'm not forcing you guys. I think I'm feeling I'm forced and forced and again and then forced. When there isn't anything else feel no. If you feel like I love to watch my vlogs work, not good and subscribe, no. Not good and like, no. It is okay, it's fine. I totally understand. But it's guys. Let me nap and I'll order something to eat later. Then yeah, I'll show you. I think xa nofika ndibawula nyam ukhombisa le watch yakwa Tempo Guys, you must run. Don't walk. Run to American Swiss or Eastern's. But run a Black Friday sale. You buy one and get one for free. You can choose any color or any design you want. They are both watches. So I am his and hair. I am no baby. I am no muntu guys. Muntu loya. So le ndandithenge. I don't know when is ayibona. Ndandithenge 2021. This one. Go Black Friday. It was around. Yayingekho ke yayingekho i-buy one get one free yabo. Yayi-Black Friday nje normal nje yabo. Yayi-Black Friday normal. Yeah, that was it. It was around 1.2. That was actually a fluid discount here, 30%. I don't know. But then kubinto xa uthanda uyayithanda. I was like, no. Come baby girl, come. So sineminyaka emingaphi from 2021. Yabo. The last till and I and they say right and then they change like this year be beige. Then I change it beige of course. But then they say right. Yes. Some years later I'll change this the figures. I don't know man. But again phethe kahle ngiyithanda. Hence ngiphinde ndabuyela. If it happens was phinde zibuye like not zibuye but deliver early angaziwa eCape Town guys and stress because mina bengifuna ukuthenga shop and then damameli oyami athi oyami no baby ngcono uyithenge online, you can do this man online, thenge online don't izoba delivered within 3 days. Like okay cool, 3 days phela kudala guys. I try quite twice to Cape Town. Those got patient. But that's why into the online sometimes you understand because ukhona man who stands up ukhona like ula gibele local ngiyafika most American Swiss. But ke in the name of lalela ubaba ngizothini la ngikwazi kwenzani boxing but if it happens by ifike sendiposti like guys nizoyibona next vlog and Eastern Cape nizayanda inqibile. It's guys ladies, this is the watch that I bought. So gijimani phela nge-2 December isale Black Friday yabo. So please ngibala ngena ku website manje yabo never promoted. Cacile man lento yokupromote lapha. It runs in my blood, in my veins, you know. For now let me leave you. I come back guys ndibuyile another day, another dollar. So mbonisa ukutya kwami. Hope niyakubona. That's why you know what I mean. Ngiyazama, siphekele nomyeni wami, ngiyazama. But then yeah, this is my meal. What happened is guys, remember the intents order njani naphoqa imvula. So I couldn't order, but cancel order yami, bandifanda, kwakuningi, ended up ndisitya uphuthu. So that was it. Because bekunethe izoduduma so Mr. Dio, but it's Sunday again. So I ended up canceling cravings gone. So if you've watched till this far, please make sure you like her, drop a comment, heart or whatever. Please guys, please. And please don't forget to subscribe, please. And don't mind this guys, angikho right kuyalena le ngiyayigulela nje bandla. Yeah man, siselapha andikho right. So I guess I'll see you when you vlog on the next vlog. Let me not say much, let me not say kubanzi wenzenzani na. Because I will say last time that is so promote her together, but then it did not happen. So let me not promise you, but let in terms of another vlog. Maybe as Eastern Cape, Monday Eastern Cape. I don't know, we'll see. Let me love and leave you for now. Ngiyodla. Phekele nomyeni wami. Ngiyazama ne. mara mina ngiphekela abantu abalambile andiphekele abantu ozothi this it's salty, this what ayivakali no ndiseyishef esafundayo esakhulayo guys, so i-judgments andizidingi. Anyways, let me love and leave you. See you on the next one. Bye. Mwah! I come back. Guys, thanks to back to work young. Ingafuna upload it. So today ama-watch lawo endithetha ngawo, so siya-unboxa kanje ukwenjeni siya-unbox. Okay, bibekwa 16%, guys. Ubina my babies. Okay, left or right. Okay, be fast. Let's see. Bakit yomuntu wami le yomuntu wami ekabhedi. Guys, let's work le in there, so I would upload it. So it's landing the I don't have a network. Oh, this is my baby, this is my girl. Guys, okay, bye-bye, give a fuzz. Bendithi ngizonibonisa shem since ngafuna upload ya, so I have to re-edit again, then try to upload it. Hopefully. I'm so happy, guys. Run, don't walk, run to Stans or American Swiss. These are from Stans. Like, buy one, get one for free. Oh man, I'm so happy. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Let me love and leave you. Dear peg and full cheese. And then this one's one peg and do.